Hello there, Scorpio. I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel, intuitive astrologer, and soul coach. And I'm here with your astrological and psychic predictions for October of 2018. Finances are absorbing a great deal of your emotional energy this month, Scorpio. You feel like you're doing a juggling act all month long. Your intuition is off the charts, though, so if you trust it, you'll win the game. Expect to spend some special time with friends if they share your interest in things both mystical and metaphysical. You're going to have a wonderful time. Remember that if you try out anything new, though, in the realms of business, finance, or metaphysics, the powerful emotions you're dealing with all month long do leave you open to making more mistakes than usual, unless you manage to maintain objectivity. Keep that cool head. Finally, if you have children, Scorpio, they'll be a highlight of your life this month. Plan some special time for them. Maybe take them trick-or-treating. October is your month, at least the tail end of it is. And I'm wishing you a wonderful month and an enjoyable and happy holiday. Gotta say, happy Halloween to all you Scorpios out there. That is your holiday. At least that's how I feel like it. So, when you're done listening to this or watching it, please head over to my website. You'll find me at www.sandyanastasi.com. While you're there, sign up for my free monthly newsletter and you'll get all of the information I put on these videos first. Also, sign up for my free Psychic Hour. The next one is a little over a week from now and you don't want to miss it, so get signed up and find out how to get a reading with me. This is a good time for that, you know. Or if not with me, with somebody else. It's just in general a good time for you to get a reading. And on my website, check out my upcoming events because it's not too early to get signed up for January's class. The Anastasi System of Psychic Development begins again in January. If you sign up early, you get a great discount. Also, it's not too early to sign up for the Psychic Cruise because it's filling up. There are only so many spaces available and it's getting filled. So if you want to cruise with a bunch of psychics and have an awesome time like you've never had before, now's the time to get signed up. Don't wait too long. I'll see you next month, Scorpio, with more predictions for you, and thank you so much for coming by. So long.